Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring. We're here in the Boise, Meridian area. Hey, I just got another quick tip for hardwood flooring, just something to be aware of. So we get asked often that you want a floor that's really shiny, and they're really pretty. What we tend to call those, it's called a piano finish hardwood. So you know how pianos tend to be really glossy and really pretty and shiny. So in this case here, I've got just some samples of some engineered hardwood, and they're what you'd call high gloss or shiny, and they're really quite pretty. They look beautiful, but I just want you to be aware of one thing when you buy this type of floor. And it's kind of like a window. So if you ever cleaned a window, which I hope you have, if you don't wipe it all off, you get streaks on it. Does that make sense? Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna get my fingers wet just a little bit here. Flick them on Becky here. But if you put your fingers on them like that, or spots, and then you don't wipe it all the way off, what you get is you get fingerprints and spots and things like that. I don't know if you can see that in there. We're trying to experiment with the light. So you can kind of see, once this dries, you'll see all these fingerprints and smudges and things. And it's just something to be aware of. It's not that there's anything wrong with this flooring. It's just when you clean it, you have to kind of treat it like a window, where when you, like if you mop it or sweep it, you have to make sure to get all the liquid off. And then it'll look shiny and nice again. But it can show some of that imperfection. So we just want you here at Capell Flooring to be a smart consumer and to know that prior to buying, so that way you're happy with your flooring after it's installed. So if you have any questions on this, please comment, like, or share this below. We'd love to hear from you, and we answer every question. Thanks so much.